Welcome to the live customers training for Epic and Grants users. In this live call, we will share how you can use Epic and make money using the power of AI. We will show you step by step how you can use Epic and make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we will be sharing this video for free on YouTube and other social media channels, so everyone can learn how to make money online. The software we're going to use in this training call is called Epic. Yes, this is for Epic customers. But in case you don't have access to Epic yet, link is in the description. It's free to try. Go grab it. Start using it right now. Even if you don't have access to Epic, you can still use this strategy and start making money from today. In case you don't have any idea about Epic, this is just a random screenshot from one of our accounts on Warrior Plus. You see here $20,000 earned, totally passive affiliate commission. This looks really good and really exciting, we know, but that's not the most important thing. Money didn't come from thin air. Money came from these hubs. So what are these hubs? These are the clicks on our affiliate links from real people who watched our content, liked them, and decided to click on our links. They found our offers useful, they purchased, and we made money. But the money started with our sincere intention of helping others. So yes, we make money using videos, but unlike these videos with camera and microphone, for our other channels, we use Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that allows you to write script using artificial intelligence. So when you want to write script using Epic, go to the text section and click the text generator button, copy the text from anywhere on the internet and put it here. Then use any of these buttons to rewrite it using AI. Then take that text and go to audio section, click text to audio and put your text here, click the submit button, and the AI will turn that text into natural sounding voiceover. So the script is done, voiceover is done. Now the video is created using image, links, and text. And Epic makes bite-sized videos. Whenever you have a little time, make a bite-sized video and save it as a campaign. Go back to your other work, come back later, add another section, and once you're happy with your story, click the render button and the video is done in the background. Once the video is rendered, you will get an email notification, download it and upload it anywhere. This way, we make simple videos that help our viewers get the answers they're looking for. Once they get answers to their questions, they like us, they trust us, they follow us, and whenever we ask them to buy something using our link, they buy and we make money. Is that super simple? But all starts with Epic. So if you have access to Epic, congratulations. Follow this training and start using it today. If you don't have access to Epic, link is in the description, free to try, go grab it. But even if you don't use Epic or don't use video, still you will be benefited from this step-by-step training. So stay tuned till the end of the video. And yes, because we are sharing our paid training for free, we truly deserve a like and a share. So go ahead, like this video and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter, so everyone else knows about this training. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. So go ahead, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. And let's move on to money. So as you can see, the most important numbers here are the customers or the traffic. So how can we get traffic? From YouTube. But for that you need videos. How can you help people and get their attention to you? By telling the truth, exposing the truth in front of them, and say it in the form of a story. We have a template here. It's super simple. We're building a video here for our elite club members, and let me tell you what is happening. And here is the story. We were watching this video that claims that you can earn $150 by typing names easily. So we watched the video. It's 11 minutes long, and basically what it does is it shows that you can go to a website called Talent Desire and search for typing jobs. Then you go to another website called Rata Type, register there, and then they come back and say that this way you will get $150 per job. Well, that's super weird and this is no way going to work. So we describe the problem here. The problem is if you get paid $3 for writing 300 words, it means you have to write 10 articles to make $30. So this doesn't make sense. And when we went to Talent Desire, this website is full of advertisements on the top, at the bottom, and it absolutely doesn't look like a professional website that will actually pay you money for a job. And here is the kicker. Talent Desire clearly says they have thousands of freelancers already signed up, working, and on the waiting list. And it would be unrealistic for you to expect to be contacted anytime soon. Which means watching this 10 minutes long video is a complete waste of time. So our story is, we put this story with screenshot, image, links, and text, and said that this thing doesn't work, or even if it works, it's not a scalable way to make money online. So the scalable ways to make money is make helpful videos, publish them on YouTube. YouTube will send you traffic, viewers, customers. When they like your helpful content, ask them to buy from your link, they will buy and you'll make money. Now let me show you how we make videos. So let's take this section and take this text, Control A, Control C. Oh, by the way, we have already written the complete script by a copywriter, and our Elite Club members get access to this full script and the videos that we are making for them every week. But in case you don't have access to Elite membership, you can simply use this text generator and rewrite any text. Okay, let's copy this section and go to the audio section. Go to text to audio, title it the number of the slide, select the voice quality and my favorite voiceover artist. Then in the description, paste the text. Click submit and the audio is ready. Now let's listen to the audio.
So, the girl goes to a website called Talent Desire.
Click add to add the audio into the slide. Now we are going to play a game. Put this text here, remove that text, and we will select a text. We will play the audio.
So, the girl goes to a website.
So first we will play the audio.
The girl goes to a website called
and the moment a word is spoken that I want to add, I will stop the audio, select the text and click add selected text. Then move on.
Talent Desire. She clicks on typing jobs.
Now here I want typing jobs to be added.
Then it says beginners can make $3.
Now beginners can make $3.
Writing 300 words. Intermediates can make
add new text.
$3 and those who are experts will make
and experts will make $6. Awesome. Now drag them as per your choice and make them bigger. Your choice how you want to do with it or what you want to do with it. Add some new colors if you want. Make it italic. Change the color. Different color. Okay, and let's see what it became.
So, the girl goes to a website called Talent Desire. She clicks on typing jobs and it says beginners can make $3 writing 300 words. Intermediates can make $3 and those who are experts will make $6.
Nice. Now use your creativity and do whatever you want to do with it. Add more images, add a background video, add different kinds of text, your choice. We put everything here so you can make videos using artificial intelligence, text to speech, and make videos using image, links, and text. Make bite-sized videos, save as a campaign, come back later, finish your video, do whatever you want, and use 3 to 5 minutes of your time and make a helpful video to attract customers. Then in the problem solution section, tell them that they can actually make money, the real money, in other ways. Show them a better way like affiliate marketing, like video marketing, or anything like freelancing. That's it. Once we are done with this video, we will explain complete section, we will use our script, or we will write our script, or we will be using our AI to write a script. When the video is completed, we will click the render button and the video will be ready in the background and we will get an email notification when it's ready. We will download the video and upload it in all different video media websites. By the way, don't forget to mention in your videos that there is a link in the description and in the first comment. And if you're uploading videos for TikTok and Instagram, make sure to mention that your links are in the bio so your customers can find your links and buy from you. This is exactly how we make money and you can make money too. And it starts from Epic. Go grab Epic from the link in the description and we will see you inside. So did you like our training? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, social media timelines so everybody else knows how easy it is. They will like you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.